what was the process of creating it? Oh my God, creating this course was a lot. It was a lot more than I expected. I thought I would be able to create it in just a weekend because I mean, it's Papiamentu, it's my native language. But throughout it, I've learned to grow to love the language more and more. I've learned to grow to appreciate Papiamentu even more because teaching a language is different than just speaking it. And I've had to design the classes in a way that is interesting, that keeps me as a teacher interested, because I knew that if I'm interested as a teacher, then definitely the students, the people learning, will be more interested in it, but also that it involves as much as the senses as possible, because the more senses are involved in this process, the more we remember and retain things. And even more importantly for me, including cultural context is important, because it's not just a language to me. This is my language, you know? It's my people, and I wanted to represent our people correctly. And I also wanted to include the beauty of it in the language. Also, something that I've learned creating it, something I've noticed creating it, is how much language is tied to culture and how much all of it encompasses in the language. So it's important to learn the language, not just because, oh, I can communicate with people, but you get to understand the depths and the rhythms and the nuances of what it's like to be Curaçaoan and the true Curaçao.